Hello everybody, welcome to March's box of the 12 months of knitting. Before we enter March, let's see what we learned in January. This is what I made in January. You may have seen this before. And then this is what we made in February. A twisted headband made with light yarn. Now let's see what happens here. Oh, and hey, firstly, if you're new, hello, welcome. My name is Abdullah, and if you want to become part of our crafty friends, please subscribe, hit the like button. But let's go. So we want to see this. This project is not that much. The original 4mm needle. You see them? And our ball of yarn is smaller. Maybe what will make it smaller. And this is our manual. See it? February, strengthen your coordination. This month we are building texture using only knit and purl stitches. No new tools, no complicated techniques, just thoughtful placement. You're no longer just making stitches. You're learning how patterns are formed. This square is the first piece in your 2026 blanket journey. Keep it safe. So next we have another gift. This time it is a middle. Interesting. And our tag for the month, which says texture is created when simple stitches are placed into with intention. This month you become a pattern knitter. Let's see all you have got. 4mm knitting needles, our portable mirror, yarn ball, manual, and of course the tag. And that's everything. And what do you think about this monsoon? Tell me in the comments below. Bye.